What is the capital of Meghalaya? A. Guwahati. B. Shillong. C. Kohima. D. Impal. Answer B. Shillong. When did Meghalaya become a separate state? A. January 21, 1972. B. January 26, 1950. C. August 15, 1947. D. October 2, 1969. Answer A. January 21, 1972. What is the meaning of the word Meghalaya? A. Land of rivers. B. Abode of clouds. C. Land of hills. D. Land of forests. Answer B. Abode of clouds. What is the state animal of Meghalaya? A. Elephant. B. Red panda. C. Clouded leopard. D. Tiger. Answer C. Clouded leopard. What is the state bird of Meghalaya? A. Peacock. B. Hill myna. C. Hornbill. D. Sparrow. Answer B. Hill myna. What is the state flower of Meghalaya? A. Lotus. B. Red rose. C. Lattice slipper orchid. D. Lily. Answer C. Lattice slipper orchid. What is the state tree of Meghalaya? A. Mango. B. White teak. C. Banyan. D. Bamboo. Answer B. White teak. How many Lok Sabha seats does Meghalaya have? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer B. 2. Which city is known as the Scotland of the East? A. Tura. B. Jove. C. Shillong. D. Nongpol. Answer C. Shillong. Which festival is celebrated by the Garo tribe? A. Nongkram. B. Wangala. C. Hornbill. D. Bihu. Answer B. Wangala. Which is the highest peak in Meghalaya? A. Shillong Peak. B. Nokrek Peak. C. Tura Peak. D. Lum Sapadning. Answer A. Shillong Peak. Which university is located in Shillong? A. Guwahati University. B. Northeastern Hill University. C. Delhi University. D. Tezpur University. Answer B. Northeastern Hill University. Meghalaya shares an international border with which country? A. Nepal. B. Bhutan. C. Bangladesh. D. Myanmar. Answer C. Bangladesh. Which is the first wildlife sanctuary in Meghalaya? A. Nokrek. B. Siju Wildlife Sanctuary. C. Balpakram. D. Nongkilam. Answer B. Siju Wildlife Sanctuary. Which system of governance exists in Meghalaya tribal areas? A. Panchayati Raj. B. Autonomous District Council. C. Municipal Corporation. D. Village Council. Answer B. Autonomous District Council. Which district is famous for Balpakram National Park? A. West Khasi Hills. B. South Garo Hills. C. Riboi. D. East Jainsha Hills. Answer B. South Garo Hills. How many seats are in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly? A. 40. B. 50. C. 60. D. 70. Answer C. 60.